I need some vibration dampers between here. I think I will replace the ones that are already here before I tighten it up. But I have a problem missing something between here. But I can't find anything on the drawings and the pictures what's supposed to be between here. I fear that I'm missing some parts, but I don't know what kind of bolts, what kind of bracket, or what's supposed to be between here. So if anybody knows, please give me a comment so I can start make something or look for the parts. I really would like to open this tank to check inside, but I can't open it. I have these keys that I got with the bike. This is for the ignition and the seat lock, I think. Yeah, it's closed. Open. Thought it should be the same key for the tank. I think the rest of the keys are for the old crappy saddle bags. Could it be that there is a separate key for the tank? Silba. Okay. Yeah. Oh my God. Ooh. Actually, it doesn't look too bad. I think there's some rust in the area where there has been gasoline, and other than that, it looks fine. Try to show you. Definitely some rust, but it's not terrible. That's great. I'm really wondering if I can save these. They look like shit. Oof.